Hello everyone. Powell's pivot gave the euro a lift, but Germany's economic struggles are keeping gains in check. Let's break down what's driving the euro-dollar pair right now. The euro-USD surged nearly 1% on Friday, hitting a high of 1.1742 after Fed Chair Powell's remarks fueled expectation of September rate cuts. By Monday, the pair held steady above 1.1700 levels as markets paused to reassess Powell's remarks. Markets now price in an 85% chance of a September rate cut and expect two more rate cuts of 25 basis points each by the year end, underscoring the Fed's dovish tilt. Powell noted that the inflation risks are temporary and the rates are already modestly restrictive, giving the Fed space to ease. Unlike the Fed, the ECB is cautious. Officials stressed it's too soon to discuss more cuts, with core inflation, especially in services, still sticky. Their stance highlights data dependency and the need to protect the price stability. Germany remains the euro's weak spot. The IFO index improved to 89, its highest level in over a year, but growth concerns still persist. Second quarter GDP contracted by 0.3%, signaling the recessionary pressures. Manufacturing stagnation, weak demand, and sluggish investment all points to structural drag on the Europe's largest economy. On the daily chart, the Euro-USD pair is forming a symmetrical triangle pattern with a downward moving trend line connecting the July and the August peaks, acting as an immediate resistance, the white line. The broader uptrend, however, still remains intact as we can see the upward moving linear regression line, the blue line. The symmetrical triangle signals indecision with potential for a breakout in either direction. A continuation of the uptrend would expose the resistance near 1.1830 levels, the peak in July month. Conversely, a break below the ascending support trend line could shift bias to the downside, targeting the 100-day EMA at 1.1444 as support, with an annualized forward premium of 4 to 4.5% and spot levels above 102.50. The exporters should look to increase their hedge ratios gradually, while importers can look to take bias credit for the import payments at current elevated levels and wait for 1 to 2% decline in the spot prices to hedge for the repayments. To sum up, the Fed's dovish pivot supports the euro, but Germany's structural weakness keeps the gain in check. The coming data will decide whether the euro can build the momentum or stall. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.